This video provides instructions on how to collect a 1st and 5th liter water sample. Your sample kit includes instructions, 5 pre-labeled bottles, and a prepaid return label. Hold on to the box your kit arrived in because you will use the same box to ship your samples back. It is important to note that the water in your home cannot be used for at least 6 hours prior to collecting samples. Adding notes around your home can help you remember not to use the water for the 6-hour period before collecting the sample. This includes flushing the toilet, doing laundry, or washing the dishes. The best time to collect samples is in the morning after you wake up. The sample should be collected from a kitchen faucet. If you have a filter connected to the kitchen faucet, select another faucet for sampling, such as a bathroom sink. Do not remove any screens or aerators from the faucet. Before you start collecting the samples, line up your bottles next to the sink in order. Remove the caps of the bottles. You will collect all 5 liters consecutively. Once one bottle is full, you will place the next bottle under the running faucet immediately. Align the bottle labeled 1 under the faucet. Turn on the cold water, catching the first water that leaves the tap. When the water reaches the shoulder, set bottle 1 aside and place the bottle 2 under the running tap. Try to minimize any water running in between bottle transfer. Repeat this step for all 5 bottles. Once all 5 bottles are full, turn off your water. Tightly fasten the caps on bottles 1 and 5. Be sure not to touch the inside of the bottles or the inside of the caps. Dump out the water from bottles 2, 3, and 4. The lab will only analyze bottles 1 and 5. Once bottles 2, 3, and 4 are empty, tightly fasten the caps. On the labels attached to bottles 1 and 5, use a permanent marker to record the time of last water use prior to collecting the samples and the date and time you collected the samples. Be sure to fill out all information on the labels. Again, make sure your caps are tightly screwed on. Pack your box with your samples. Bottles 1 and 5 should be full, and bottles 2, 3, and 4 should be empty. Seal the box and place the prepaid shipping label over the original label. Ship the samples to the lab by following the instructions provided in the sample kit. You will receive your sample results in the mail.